Myra's gonna go get Sally downstairs, and right now I'm watching Big Bobby Naja, y'all. I've always wanted to watch this, like always. So right now, it's a reality TV show that's happening in Nigeria, and it just happened a party. So I guess today Jane is gonna be the last person to get here. Policeman, how to do the dance? Many. Eat my combo. She get hey. Hey. We're about to bake. I'm just here for vibes. About to make some cupcakes and yeah, I'll show you how that goes today. You still get next weekend though. On the Monday of next week. Sally, what time is it? It's 5:49. What time are you supposed to get here? You're supposed to get here 4:00. Live footage of Sally speaking French. Guys, one thing you should do, make sure you have friends that you can be comfortable with and just be bored with, because see me, I'm really relaxed.
So are you trying to say you're bored?
I mean like, not like bored, but like, I mean I would do the same thing to my house. I would do the same thing at home. Like, I would be relaxed like this. But at least there's TV on.
Yeah, Big Brother, yeah. I can't hear the Wi-Fi.
How many hours is it?
Oh, yeah. I need to place this order, but yeah, let me give Sally the Wi-Fi. Is your thing on? Should be.
So just share.
I saw your video actually.
You watched my video?
Yeah.
Which one of them?
The last one. Oh, you posted another one?
When I went to Philly,
yeah.
When I traveled, yeah.
Oh, I need to this.
I try to post every weekend, but y'all, the way I've been tired recently is crazy.
No, that one didn't feel like they were. You just love your bed.
Oh, okay, when I went to do the errands and stuff. Can you tell people in Paris to subscribe?
Yeah, I'm gonna say it.
Yo, I'm gonna be famous on YouTube! Oh god, once I be able to edit, like, I be so tired.
Well, content creating is like a full-time job.
It is, I'm telling you. But I be enjoying it though. That's the good part about it. Like, I be having fun with it. Like, I'm not. What is it again? Cupcakes, right?
Huh?
Yeah, I'm just here for moral support, y'all.
Yeah.
Like. Munira with the moral support.
I don't know where she is, but.
Y'all, Jen is missing. Aww. I know.
Du coup là on va faire des cupcakes. Des cupcakes vraiment gâteau parce que du coup tout est déjà préparé, on a juste à mettre dedans. Voilà quoi. Même avec ça je suis sûre on va faire une dinguerie. Je ferai un petit update de nos petits cupcakes.
Horse angel food cake.
White velvet. Je sais pas pourquoi ils aiment trop le white velvet, mais c'est super pas bon.
So Sally do know stuff about baking, cause I don't even know. She's over here like, this is brown velvet, and that is whatever it is.
This is angel food. I don't know.
And these are the cups.
But on verra bien.
This is the baking thing, obviously. At least I know that one. So it's gonna be. Are we baking another one in here? Are we baking another cake?
I don't know.
Well, what if Myram? Myram is taking charge today, y'all.
This weather.
Myram is gonna be leading the baking.
Yeah.
So, okay. Well, she's serious. She means business. Like, my girl is not playing. What is this?
A hand mixer.
The mixer? Yeah. She professional with it, okay?
Yeah, I don't think I have a mixing bowl, so maybe I'm not that professional.
I was just like, saying good things about her, but hey. She's just a regular pan at this point. You got a choice, mama.
Like a regular bowl? I mean,
and you're so aesthetic, so you don't have like bowls. You have
cupcakes. Yeah, I mean, we don't want to do too much anyway. Actually, I'm gonna put this in the freezer. Jesus.
I'm obsessed with this Okechi song.
Obsessed what?
That Okechi song. That's
Ogechi mama.
I forgot somebody was telling me what's the meaning. I forgot.
I actually don't know because that's the joke.
Right, that will be better.
Right?
Yeah.
Exactly. It's just I live alone, so I only have things enough for one person. But this
It's okay, y'all. Jill will just wash the dishes. That's what she get for coming late.
wait, what did she say? Oh, like Jay?
Yeah, she will do the dishes.
She should. No, I'm just going. Okay. I wanted us to do from scratch.
Okay,
The
what's
flour.
the lady named Nara Smith? I said, okay, Nara Smith. The lady from TikTok.
My friends were craving cupcakes.
Cupcakes.
So actually, I'm gonna do that with my phone.
So I decided to make it from scratch. Oh my god, that's crazy.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm probably gonna use regular camera because Snapchat is gonna keep dying, I'm sure. My head looks crazy. I can't put my phone. Ogechi, Ogechi, don't understand?
Wow. Look at that. This is the world we live in 2024, y'all. Like,
Recording.
look at that.
We're creating memories.
Exactly.
Exactly.
When I'm gonna back to France, I'm gonna question.
And then it's gonna make you wanna hurry up and come back to America.
Facts.
Okay. You wanna come in this one? So today, my friends were craving cupcakes. So guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna bake you from scratch.
Let's go for the cupcakes.
I'm gonna make them from scratch. Mess that, bro. Please speak French one more time. Please, just do it for my camera one more time.
I was not speaking French. I was just trying to copy Sally.
Cause you know we don't speak French. Like, why would you ask a question in French?
No, she's speaking French to her camera. She said, "I'm the French." You're gonna make me learn French.
No, for real. I told about. You know, they call my girl Mariam never give up.
I want to learn French. I never do.
You got this, girl. Show them.
I know.
Sally, your reaction is crazy. She's like, wow. Okay.
Wait, one of you should come and try this because y'all laughing like shit is sweet.
You know, like,
Are you kidding me?
yes.
Stop playing.
Yeah, she's not one of them.
Put some respect on my name.
Yeah. Talk to her nice.
Talk to me nice.
Talk to her
Don't
nice.
Talk to me at all.
Period.
Yeah.
Miss, get it done. Oh God.
Wow. I need to open a bakery.
Mm-hmm.
Did I hear someone like smart at me?
Mariam patience.
Okay, one of you should come and try this.
Yeah, one of y'all. No, one of y'all.
Come.
Cause me, I'm gonna just throw the icing on
Yes, come do it.
No, I'm talking about literally just.
Yes.
She's trying to make it cute. You know she's the queen of aesthetics, right? So
Just squeeze it and see how easy it is.
Oh my gosh.
What is this?
I feel not doing enough.
What is this?
The
Wow. And you have the audacity to laugh at me.
Sally, it's your turn. Go.
Sally. Sally, come. You two, there's one more, so Sally.
I don't think you guys should trust me. Do that.
No, you can't possibly.
I'm like a 2 out of 10.
Sally's gonna show something crazy right now because she's taking her time.
You know she's from Paris, so she has to know how to, you know, to bake.
You're saying the same thing.
I learned from her. I'm literally teasing her. I'm literally teasing her.
Wait, is there? Yeah. Let me do it for you. Yeah, there isn't that much left, but manage. Yeah, I'm gonna make a new one.
How would there be any left? You guys have spread it all on those other ones.
Okay, continue with this one.
Are you trying to laugh, Mario? Just laugh,
No,
bro.
it's so liquidy. I think it's so fun. Wow. Okay, madam, it's your turn. I'll
You can use both because they are both finished anyway. So
You want to spend my patience on it? What's she doing?
I need to go shut the.
Jeez.
Aha.
Okay, so it's not as easy as it looks.
Aha.
Yeah.
Let's know.
Yeah, whatever.
Oh, there you go.
Okay.
Oh my
God. This is why I want to give more support. Like, because what is this? Nothing's coming out anymore.
That's it.
It's not meal.
That's it.
Yay! Not it looks so sad. So these are all the cupcakes. See, like, oh my god, I did a good job, guys. You guys were making even this one. It's art in a way. If you think, if you really think about it, and look into the deeper meaning and
more than
detail.
one.
So
Yeah.
Yeah.
I see what you're saying. Yeah. Yeah.
Preach. Yeah. Anyway, here you go. Not the clapping and dance.
Come, applause. On the count of 3, you're gonna say the rating out of 10. 1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest. So, 1, 2. I'm scared. I'm not scared. Do you see my hand? It's shaking. It's shaking. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 10.
I think 4 out of 10.
Why don't you leave my house right now? Yes.
What did you say?
I said 5.
I said 5 too. Oh.
I heard you say
I thought
you said 3.
I know, she said 4.
Wait, what did you say?
I said 5.
I said 10. Oh. You don't agree? Maybe you meant like 5 plus 5, right? Okay. No, I think they didn't like hear me correctly. Are you guys ready?
Mm-hmm.
No. Take out this.
Your cake is so sad. I'm sorry.
No, this is you. What do you mean? It came from my heart.
Aww. Handmade DIY.
Jade.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sally. Happy birthday to you.
Now blow it again.
Yo, what is wrong with you boys? The same thing.
Okay. start it. No. Okay.
Just give me my money.
Just give me my money.
Give me my money.
Just give me my money.
She said, I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, that was so funny.